just got these from Lidl. They're very good value. 6 steel plates with lots of holes in them. The size is 200 millimeters by 60, and they're quite thick. In fact, I'm going to measure one now. Looks like about 1 millimeter or 0.9, this thing's saying. Now, I'm not planning to use them to replace these nail plates in these positions, because the nail plates are very good in tension, in compression, and to prevent rotation in that direction. But where these are very soft is if you try to bend them that way. So it's very easy to bend these to 90 degrees. So I'm just going to move this stuff off the shelf. That's all my vocoder stuff. This is going to be the vocoder bench, and I'll show you where these plates are going to go. Oh, I didn't mention the price, did I? $2.99 for a pack of 6, so that makes them 50p each. Now the nail plates, I think at Wickes, are 79p each, so the Parkside or Lidl plates are, yeah, a fair bit cheaper. So I've turned the shelf over, and you can see that I've attached the 2 bits of decking timber together with these nail plates, but they're very weak. If I try to rotate this one up with respect to that one, they do bend. Let's see if I can put a bit more bend on it. I mean, it would take quite a lot of pressure to bend that, but they will crease across this point here, and I think these plates will be a lot tougher with them being 1 millimeter thick. Let's give it a try. One-handed drilling. And one-handed screwing. There are a lot of holes on these. I suppose similar to that. I'm just using the holes where I'm on my raised pieces of decking timber. And because the new brackets are cheaper, I've decided to put 3 on there. So now I'm going to take the nail plates off, because I'll be wanting to use those when I expand the shed next spring. And that's it, my new shelf, which is so much more rigid. There's no way that's going to bend across these middles here. So yeah, happy with that. I'll flip it over and lay the vocoder back out. And there it is, all finished, ready for 2 more of my filter boards. And as luck would have it, these blue connectors came in today, so that will progress soon.